Hola, friends. Welcome to this session about Floorcraft directed to teachers. Argentine here with some advice on how to help our dancers enjoy good Floorcraft. Everybody likes to complain about Floorcraft. It's like the traffic on the road.
Exactly.
I want my share. I want my room. Well, what can we do to make that easier for the students? One thing is we give a powerful lesson by the example that we set. Even more than the words that we say, if they're following the example that we set, that's a way of teaching them. So let's do it right. If we're in the class, in the group class, or at a practica, and people are moving around nicely in their lanes, we come over, oh, there's a point that I'd like to help you with here. And we stop them right in the middle of the lane of dance. And so that's forcing the other couples to dance around us. We're teaching other couples to move out of the lane of dance.
Which they're not supposed to be doing.
We're teaching people to stop right in the middle of the lane of dance. If we're in the line of dance, we want to be moving with the music. So that's the first thing. If we're going to work with a couple, let's bring them out of the line of dance in toward the center of the room so that we can continue moving.
And if you, as the teacher, are in the center of the room, that also gives people a subconscious feeling of, oh, I don't want to be over there. So they will inevitably work their way towards the outside if you, as the teacher, are occupying the center of the room.
And that brings up a good point about our demonstrations. We're demonstrating a figure or a movement. It's nice to establish what our line of dance is. We will often, so let's say we have the students lined up around the room, actually move towards the edge of, so rather than being right in the middle, move toward one edge and establish this is our line of dance. And then respect that line of dance, moving around the room. Or if we are in the middle, we'll say, this is our line of dance, and respect that line of dance.
And just like Arjun said, if we are demonstrating in the middle of the room, just a step or two closer to one side of the room or the other can also keep you in the center so everybody can see, but it can very easily visually establish, this is my line of dance, this is where I'm going.
A third aspect of it is, are we actually instructing our students how to maintain their lane? So many figures actually move us to the side. So we have to be reorienting back into the lane. Tina and I have done a video on that, Floorcraft for navigators.
So if you're looking for ways to help encourage your students to continue to move back into their lane or stay towards the edge, that video has some great ideas to incorporate into your teaching.
So let's not just give lip service to Floorcraft. Let's actually embody it by our example and by giving our students the techniques that will make it easy to stay within our lane. Until the next time,
Abrazos.